Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to solve a Geeks for Geeks problem called next letter element in circular array. So in the input, we can see an array which is given. We are supposed to find the next element for each index, next letter element for each index. So this is our input. So what they are asking is, we are supposed to return an array which will have the next letter element for every index. So if you carefully observe, for the index 0, uh, the value is 1. The next letter element from the right side is 3. And for 3, next letter element is 4, not 2. And for 2 also, the next letter element is 4. And 4, the next there is no greater element, so we are supposed to return -1. But the case is, here we are supposed to consider this array as a circular one. Circular in the sense, consider this as like this, 2, 4. So after the last one, we should get the first one itself. So uh, how we can approach for this problem is, so for every index, I will iterate on the right side of the array. If I find any greater element, then I will append it to the answer array. If I won't find on the right side, then I will check from the left side. For 3, I will check 2 and 4, and also if I haven't find any greater element on the right side, then I will check from 0 to until 3. Let me implement Python solution for this. So this is a brute force solution. So let me take an answer here. For every for I in range of number, I will call a function. Let the function be helper, and I will pass the index for it. I mean answer dot append of helper of I. I is nothing but index. So what this helper function will do, it will find the next data element from the array. At last, I have to find the I need to return the answer. So let me implement the helper function now. So helper function will get an input I, nothing but index, and arr. Let me call it nums equal to arr. So at first we are supposed to check on the right side of the index. Of I plus 1 comma lemma of arr. If arr of nums of I. Let me call this as an end. If nums of I greater than nums of index, then we are supposed to return that nums of I. If we haven't found any greater element on the right side, then we have to search on the left side. So from 0 to index. At last, if we haven't found any number which is greater, then we will return -1. So after running the sample test case, I am getting some error. For I range local. Oh, sorry. Here we need to put index plus 1. So sample test case is passing. So after submitting, we will get it clearly because it's a brute force approach. So as expected,